Welcome to a new recipe video. We're going to make a pomegranate limeade today, and I have the perfect recipe for you to have a nice tasty drink. But before we start that, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Fika. Fika is a new startup company in the water carbonation field. Their carbonator features pull-down lever to be able to customize how much carbonation you want in your water. Also very compact and stylish, so you can pretty much put it anywhere in your kitchen and it won't be in the way. So definitely check out the Fika Carbonator Pro, and my viewers for a limited time get 20% off. So make sure you click the link below, enter in that coupon code, and get 20% off of your machine today. If you're looking for a new one, it's a good one to look at. So let's get back into the video. So we have fresh, clean water. Very cold. It's probably about 38 degrees right now. So 1 liter of water, you're going to want to carbonate it real quick. Go ahead, get your desired machine right now. Fika offers a lock-in mechanism, and just put as much carbonation as you want in it. I like a lot of carbonation, so with a liter of water, we also need some Stevia Drops. This is sweet leaf Stevia Drops. We need some pomegranate juice. This is wonderful Pom. And then lastly, we have some fresh pressed lime juice. 2 or 3 limes is what it's going to take. And you're going to want 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 6 tablespoons or 3 fluid ounces of pomegranate juice, and then a ½ milliliter of stevia. Do not use too much of this. Less is better, because you're already going to be mixing sugars together, and if you put too much, it's going to have a bitter taste and it's not going to be as good as it is with a little less sweetener, if that makes sense. If you have stevia and you've gotten that really horrible aftertaste, it's probably because you're using too much of it, or you have a not so good quality brand of stevia. So let's go ahead, shake up our stevia. We're going to get a ½ ml. That's about a full ml, so we're going to do about half right there. Good to go. We're going to put in our fresh pressed lime juice. That's next. Be careful, if you pour it in too fast, it might fizz up, so get your palm ready and just put it over that. We're good to go. Usually with the pomegranate juice is when it fizzes up the most, so be careful with this. So this is a 4 tablespoon, 2 ounce measuring cup, so I'm going to have to do 4 and then 2. And this is when things may get a little messy. So here we go. Like I said, put your palm over it. It's going to stop that carbonation bubbles from coming up and whoosh, going everywhere. So we need 2 more tablespoons, 1 fluid ounce. Go ahead, put that right in. Same thing. Put your palm over it. You don't want to do the palm, just pour it in slower. Tip the bottle a little bit. Both of those work. And you're done. Last thing you want to do is you want to stir it. Do not shake, just stir. So just take your bottle, go like this, do a little swirls, go pretty quick, and then go the other way really fast. Jerk it back really fast, and then it stirs it all up. So you're good to go. This is ready to drink. I'm going to go ahead, test it out, see how it tastes. Nice and refreshing. Tastes delicious. Has a little sweetness, but it also has that tartness to it. It's not as tart as lemonade, but it just has that tart, and you're like, that's good, that's good. It's different, definitely different. The last thing I'll say is you could take a little tiny pinch of salt and put in there if you wanted to, and then that would make an electrolyte drink. Thank you again to Fika for sponsoring this video. Again, this is a great machine, and definitely with that 20% off, it could be your next purchase. So definitely check out the Amazon link below. Put in the coupon code for a limited time and get that 20% off. Other than that, let me know in the comments what you think about this drink, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy, take care of yourself, fizz on, and hydrate up. And so bye-bye now.